Hello there, welcome back. So leaks in the past have revealed a great deal about Samsung's upcoming flagship tablets, but it is now that we have started seeing various certifications, live images and alleged pricing of the tablets from various sources. We know that you all are waiting to see a glimpse of the S8 lineup, and while all three devices are pictured, the images don't reveal much except for some dimensions. As rumors so far suggest, the vanilla model will offer a 11-inch screen, while the Plus variant will boast a 12-inch panel, and the Ultra option is going to be a 14.6-inch panel with a notch and the bezels that are the smallest ever seen in any Samsung tablet. Moving on, a couple of unannounced Samsung tablets bearing the model number SM-X700 and SM-X706B have recently passed through FCC certification process. These should be the Wi-Fi only and cellular variants of the Galaxy Tab S8. The FCC listing further confirms S Pen support for the Galaxy Tab S8, which is hardly a surprise. As for the exact S Pen model, the Tab S8 will be paired with the same S Pen that shipped with the Galaxy Tab S7 with model number EJ-PT870. So while it may not seem that the S Pen may bring many changes, you are right to think that way. But things such as lower response time came from upgrades that Samsung brought to the digitizer and other display components rather than the input device itself. So we might get to see the same 2.8 millisecond response time that's expected on the S22 Ultra model as well, which is a huge improvement from the previous models that came with the S Pen support. Now we don't have the official launch date, but the appearance on the FCC website is an indication that we are getting closer to the launch. The next update is regarding the pricing. So these are the alleged pricing as claimed by Apple's. The list has every model except for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra with 12 plus 512GB memory. But as you can guess, it will be the costliest of the bunch. As for the rest of the specs, you might already know that if you are following this channel or any other channel for that matter. The leaked specs haven't changed much from the beginning. So that is all for this video. If you enjoyed, hit the bell and subscribe, and catch you in the next one.